Misses EAS because I wasn't home, but it goes until 12 a.m. and I am so excited to see what goes on, man. Haven't caught an EAS in a while, so I'm ready, you know. Hopefully I can catch a lot. But this is Tornado Watch 180. It goes until midnight tonight, April 15th, 2012.
I am a mid. If you're caught in a hailstorm, if possible, try to get out of the storm by seeking shelter in a garage or a parking structure to minimize hail damage.
Also have a flash flood warning. But here online, here's the flash flood warning. Here's this huge tornado watch. And this is all coming toward, if I draw the box, kind of going like northeast. And we'll see what happens.